Hey friends, I am Catherine and today we're going to try something called a puddle pour. This is my first attempt at it, so let's cross our fingers and hope it goes well. I have mixed up 4 different colors over here. I have got some Apple Barrel Snow White, some Folk Art Purple Lilac, that's this one here, some Craft Essentials Violet, because I really like how that mixes up in general. I'm not a great fan of it just on its own, but when it mixes, being a little less pigmented because it's mixed in with other things really, I think, improves the quality of the color. And then I have got some Folk Art Metallic Pure Gold over here. Let's get started. The first thing that I want to do is drop a little bit of white on the canvas, just a little bit, and take a wet paintbrush. Oop, this brush is full of blue from the other day still. That's okay. We'll try and get some of that blue out of it. I'm gonna have to actually wash that. Well, that's fine. Then I will take a different brush and get it a little bit wet and use a different brush. That's fine. That's still a little bit blue. That's okay. We'll just use that to spread our paint around, just so that the canvas is wet for starting off. And get the edges, because we are professionals and getting the edges is a good idea. Just in general, probably. I mean, it'll flow down over the edges anyway, so probably won't actually matter, but you know, who knows. And then let's start pouring. Now you notice I don't have a dirty cup out here. We're going to be pouring our colors directly onto our canvas. So let's start with our darkest color. That's the violet, and just really puddle that up in the center. And then maybe the lilac, and it'll hopefully push the violet out further, but also kind of pile on top of it. I think that's the theory anyway. Then maybe some of the gold. Then some of the white again. Well, the first time for the puddle, but again, because it's already down on the canvas. And then maybe just repeat those colors, but like with a little less paint. Maybe. We'll see how it goes. Oh, and I forgot, my desk is not level. And I don't know where I put that wallet that I was using to level it last time, because that worked really well. Oh well, can't find it. That's okay. Figure something else out. So how about some cotton swabs? Just under that edge there to lift it up a little bit. There we go. That should do it. Okay, then we did the light purple. Now the next color is gold. And then white. And then I think what I want to do is grab my, well, I've got a bit of skewer that I've been using for mixing, and I want to just drag the corners into the center, and then maybe drag the sides into the center. Okay, and that should be good for that. And then we'll just take and slide it out to the edges, hopefully. right down to that corner, and then across to that one, and then down to the opposite one over there, and then hopefully down to here in this corner, and just get it all the way off this corner. Hopefully it'll go, and there we are. That gives us something pretty fun, I think. I really like this edge right over here. Do you see what I see with that? That looks really cool to me. I hope that stays on. I should actually probably bring those cups, they're pressing up on the center of the canvas because they're not sitting on the frame of the canvas, they're sitting on the inside edge. So let me just scooch those out to the corners. Hopefully, like that. There we go. Okay, now that should be good. Hopefully. And put a thumbprint on the side there, but that's okay. All right. Well, it's not really concentric rings, kind of like I was thinking it would be, but I really do like it. It's got a lot of fun, like lace going on through the white, which I'm really curious to see. And I hope the gold turns out that gold once that goldness once it dries. We'll have to see, but it's pretty sparkly right now. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but that is not too bad for a first attempt. And I didn't have to use a large plastic cup, and I've got these colors over here mixed up still, so we might do another painting in this same color group another day. We'll have to see how it goes. I hope you liked it. If you did, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow because I put up a new video every day, so there's always something new to see. All right, that's it for today, you guys. Bye!